In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your Trust Wallet to another phone. This process is crucial if you're moving devices and want to ensure your digital assets remain safe and easily accessible. It's simple, but you do need to follow the steps carefully to ensure everything goes smoothly. To begin, let's head over to the Play Store on your new phone and download the Trust Wallet app. This app is available for free, and it's essential to ensure you have the official version to protect your assets. Once the download is complete, open the app by tapping on Open. Upon launching the app for the first time, you'll see two options presented to you. These options are Create a new wallet and I already have a wallet. Since the purpose of today's guide is to transfer an existing wallet, you'll want to choose I already have a wallet. This option ensures that you can seamlessly migrate your wallet without having to set up everything from scratch. Next, you'll be prompted to create a passcode. This passcode adds an extra layer of security to your wallet, so make sure it's something memorable yet secure. Avoid simple or commonly used numbers. Once you've set your passcode, you'll be guided to the next step. The subsequent screen will ask you to click on Secret Phrase. This is a critical component of the process. Your secret phrase, sometimes known as the recovery phrase or seed phrase, is the key to your wallet. It's vital that you have this phrase written down and stored securely, as it allows you to restore your wallet on any device. When you select the secret phrase option, you'll need to click Continue and then select the multi-coin wallet option. This ensures that all supported cryptocurrencies within your wallet can be restored together. Now, you will need to enter your secret phrase exactly as it was originally provided to you. This phrase consists of a sequence of words, so ensure there are no typos or changes, as even a small mistake can prevent access to your wallet. After entering your secret phrase correctly, click on Restore Wallet. You should then see the option to select Trust as your wallet provider. By choosing this, you confirm that you want to use Trust Wallet for your restored assets. And there you go, your wallet is now successfully transferred to your new phone. Just like that, all your digital assets are back in your hands, safe and sound. Remember, keeping your secret phrase secure is paramount, as it's the most important tool for accessing and managing your wallet across devices. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your seamless Trust Wallet experience on your new phone.